Welcome to Realty Talks online payment guide. So using Google Chrome or pwede din natin gamitin Internet Explorer or Mozilla para maka-avail tayo ng online payments ng Realty Talks. So pasok po tayo dun sa legazpi.com.ph, the official website of the City Government of Legazpi. So ito po, Legazpi City, the City of Fun and Adventure. Click po natin. So nandito po, online services. Click po natin na page na yan. So under that page, mayroon po dyan realty or real property. So click po natin realty tax online billing and payment. So input po natin email ad natin. For example, sa akin po, richardjuson@yahoo.com. richardjuson@yahoo.com. At the same time, input po natin yung official and updated CP number. So, kailangan po natin itong i-register kasi doon po isisend ni e-Trax yung OTP in order for us to process the online payments for realty taxes. Then, just click next. So, this time po, since naibigay na natin si email ad natin at the same time si CP number, so this time, hinihingi na ni e-Trax na ibalik natin yung OTP. So, this time, tingnan natin kung pumasok na siya doon sa email address natin. So since ang email ad ko is registered with Yahoo, so open natin si yahoo.com. So check natin sa mail kung nandun na. So login po ako kay Yahoo, richardjuson@yahoo.com. At the same time, input po natin password. Then next. So this time po, may email na tayo sa eTrax Legazpi. So nandiyan na po, 6-digit validation key. So open po natin yung email. So nandiyan na po, 114827. So all we have to do, just highlight po siya. Then right click, copy. Then balik po tayo dun sa online application natin. Then paste po natin si OTP. Or if ever nasa cellphone po, copy na lang po natin. Then input po si OTP. Then click next. So this time po, para makaproceed ang payment, kailangan po yung tax declaration ng property nyo. Kung ano yung tax declaration number. Kasi specific siya po, ang pagbayad po per tax declaration number po tayo. So in this case, sa akin po, ito po ang current tax declarations na babayaran ko. So for example, 2024-02-0056-02579. So just click next. So automatically po, nandiyan na po yung realty records ko as reflected po doon sa assessor's office. So nandiyan na po kung ano yung location ng property, kung ano yung babayaran ko, anong quarter. So this time po sa payments, meron po tayong options. Either bayaran natin ng full for the whole year, yung realty tax natin due for the year 2024 or quarterly natin bayaran. Just click po natin tong pay options. So this time po, year to bill 2024, pwede tayo magbayad by quarterly. For example, babayaran lang natin is quarter 1, just click quarter 1. Or quarter 2, quarter 2 lang. So ibig sabihin, pag click po natin yung 2, ang ibig sabihin, ang babayaran ng 2 quarters, quarter 1 and quarter 2. Pag click po natin yung 3, babayaran natin from quarter 1 to quarter 3. But pag click po natin yung quarter 4, means to say, babayaran natin siya as full payment. So, depende na po sa preferred payments nyo kung quarterly or full payments. So, click submit. Then, kung quarterly or full payments, confirm payment. Click po natin. So, this time, input po natin paid by. Siyempre, kung sino may-ari ng property, siya magbabayad. So, in this case, ako may-ari, ako magbabayad. So, Richard Yuson. Richard B. Yuson. Then, address, Taysan, Legazpi City. So, since na-decided na ako na full payments, the amount of 1,000 plus, so click continue. So, meron dyan na tick box, i-tick po natin in order for us to proceed with the payment. So, this time po, nandiyan na yung mga payment partners ng City Government of Legazpi for online. Nandiyan po yung DBP using debit or credit cards. Nandiyan po yung Land Bank using debit and credit cards. And ito po ang mga malawakang payment kits, yung PMaya, powered by the Smart. And of course, yung GCash po, powered ng Globe nandyan. For example po, na pili natin si GCash. I-click lang na po natin si GCash. Automatic po siya, magpo-proceed siya kay GCash, then proceed payment using e-wallet. This time, contacting po siya kay partner namin na si GCash. So this time po, in this case, hindi po tayo makaproceed na payments because we are only on the demo of payments, no? Kasi pag clinic ko siya, yung QR code, automatic magbabayad ako at sa wala pa akong kabayad. So that's all po. Simple online application guide natin for the payments of real property tax using debit and credit cards and of course using Paymaya and GCash for the convenience of the Ligas Peñas. Maraming salamat po and babalas.